Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to log in ChatGPT in mobile in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening ChatGPT in your device. Tap on Sign Up at the top right. Tap on Log In. We have multiple options through which we can log in to our account. I'm selecting Login with Google. Tap on it, then select the account through which you want to log in. Now you will be logged into your account directly. Now you can start chatting with the AI, send pictures, or even send audios. And that is how to log in ChatGPT in mobile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.